Mermay 2020 horse style with colored pencils. Alrighty guys, hello peeps, how are you? I know you can't answer, but that's okay. You can answer in the comments if you want to. So today we are working on a drawing. So I pulled out my Prismacolor pencils for this. If you have not heard of Mermay, basically what it is, it's a drawing challenge where for pretty much every day in the month of May, you draw a mermaid. Now, if you do know what Mermay is, don't eat me. I'm not drawing a mermaid because drawing humans is not a fun place for me right now. It's not true. I don't have as much fun drawing humans as I do horses, so that kind of brings me into what I wanted to briefly talk about today. Is it okay to stay in your comfort zone? And sometimes yes, it is. It's great to stretch your wings and learn new things and keep improving, all those good things. But for this, I have been feeling a little burned out from working on my wall art product line, so I just needed a break. I needed to have some fun, so I pulled out all of my artistic ruts and let them fly. So I'm a big horse fan, so I've always loved drawing horses. It's pretty much the main thing that I draw for everything. So I went back to that, and whenever I draw horses, I always draw them in a profile, and oddly enough, always facing left. Why? I don't know. It's just easier for me. It is definitely a rut, but I mean, I had fun with this anyways. So I needed something that was a little easier, something I could just relax and refresh the creativity because it was a little challenging. I mean, I've been having a ton of fun with my wall art product line, but after a while it's, wall art is not the same as like creating something that's just specifically creative. Sometimes wall art, I mean, I've talked about this before, how wall art is really an accent for a room, but as an artist, sometimes I want to create something that's like really kind of fun, like a concept and just different things that people wouldn't necessarily hang on their wall. So again, this was just, I needed a refresher kind of thing. So again, I am using Prismacolor pencils in this. I love Prismacolor pencils for the way they blend. I don't, however, love them for how much they break. They are very much a soft lead pencil, which is why they're prone to breaking, but also why they are so beautiful with blending. So I deal with it. But I mean, you gotta be careful with them, because even if you drop one of the pencils like on a tabletop in front of you, it can break the lead, and then every time you sharpen it, you just get chunks of the lead coming out that's unused. It's a horrible, awful waste, because I mean, these can be kind of expensive as well. So you win some, you lose some. So if you are new here and you are enjoying this video so far, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching my videos, and I hope that you're enjoying this little deviation to my normal program. Just a reminder, if you watch this video to the end, it really helps me in the YouTube algorithm. If you watch my video to the end, YouTube pats me on the head and says good job and gives me more views. So just an FYI. Now, if any of you are actually interested in my new product line coming out, or if you have any empty wall in your dwelling place whatsoever, check out the link in the description for my email list. Get on that, and you'll be first to be notified when that collection goes live. It's going to be big. I have 50 new pieces that I'm working on, so it's going to be fun. Now, I did rush this piece a little bit. Like, again, it was for fun, so I wasn't too concerned, but I did rush it because my child was awake, and so it was kind of just making sure he was okay, and then drawing, making sure he was okay, drawing. So this was done in several clips, but we got it done. Here's the final product. We got it done despite my son being his adorable, mischievous self. Later, peeps.